A high school in the Northwest Metro got an inside look at how a courtroom works today.
Judges from the Minnesota Supreme Court were on the Wayzata High School campus participating in a real trial. The High Court decides this twice a year, and as Eric Nelson found out, it's a way to engage the community with the legal system.
The classroom became a courtroom today at Wayzata High School.
The Equal Protection Clause of the United States Constitution prohibits purposeful racial discrimination in selecting jurors.
The 7 justices on the Minnesota Supreme Court heard oral arguments about potential racial bias involving the dismissal of a juror in an actual trial.
I think the state's position is essentially that wasn't about race. It may have happened because of his race.
Wayzata students jammed into the school auditorium to get an up-close look at how the wheels of justice turn.
We think you're awesome, but you can't sit on this jury because one time a white cop pulled a gun on you when you were sitting in your car while black.
After the oral arguments, the kids also had a chance to ask the judges questions.
How do you guys decide which case is more important over another case when you guys are deciding which cases to look at?
How much money do you guys make?
Always a couple of stand-up comedians in every high school, and they seem to find their way to the microphone.
This was a unique and rare chance for students to mingle with Supreme Court judges.
It's really fueled our passion for law and makes us want to continue that.
Courts in Minnesota don't exist for judges and lawyers. Courts belong to the people.
The moment was a snapshot in time for the students, especially those on Wayzata's mock trial team.
It was great to listen to their answers, and we really appreciated getting to hear from them on a more personal basis.
As for the judges,
It's really cool.
well, they enjoyed themselves too.
And it's really important for us as judges to get out into the community and talk with the people about what we do in the justice system and why the justice system, why the court system matters to all Minnesotans.
We do enjoy the part of taking off the robe. We take a recess. We go out and speak directly to the students.
At Wayzata High School, I'm Eric Nelson, CCX News.
Concerns that they might have. Students on Wayzata's mock trial team later got lunch for the judges and took the judges to some of their classrooms.